Here's a fashion trend that's making a comeback, Western-inspired travel clothing. It's all about the cowboy boots, denim skirts, and cowboy-cut jeans. These are not just stylish, but also versatile and timeless. Brands like Tecovas, Madewell, J. Crew, Wrangler, and Amorvert are leading the charge with an array of items, including ankle boots, maxi denim skirts, eyelet dresses, embroidered shirts, embellished bags, denim vests, and suede jackets. All these pieces reflect the Americana lifestyle. But you don't have to break the bank to join in. There are affordable options and tips to incorporate Western aesthetics into your travel wardrobe. So, saddle up and embrace the Western trend.